The TBL file type is a generic table. Games use it for item stats, databases use it for structure. It is almost always just a text file. Try opening it in Notepad. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's inspect it. A critical part of my workflow, having a universal file viewer installed, acts as a quick test for TBL file damage. My exact recommendation is linked below. A TBL file is a table file, often associated with game modifications or used by table editor software. It stores tabular data, such as character stats, item properties, or other game-related information. TBL files are commonly used to customize and modify game content, allowing users to alter gameplay mechanics and create new experiences. TBL files typically contain data organized in rows and columns, similar to a spreadsheet. The format can vary depending on the specific software or game engine that uses it. Some TBL files are plain text, while others are binary. Table editor software allows users to view, edit, and save the data within these files. For TBL, a strong first option is table editors. Windows needs confirmation from specialized software for safe data access. Windows presents only minimal context, so full interpretation relies on compatible tools. We'll systematically check compatibility. Right-click your TBL file and choose Open With. Start with the most relevant-looking option in the list, especially anything mentioning table editors. If it fails, try the next app until one opens it. If the TBL file won't budge, stay calm. Errors with the TBL format usually come down to a small, critical detail. Let's review our checklist now and verify all necessary components. First, use text editor, spreadsheet. Open the file using a text editor, Notepad++, or a spreadsheet program, Excel, to inspect the data structure. Next, use import wizard. If opening in Excel, use data, from text.csv to identify delimiters, comma, tab, pipe, and headers. Finally, check associated program. Determine the associated program, e.g. game data, utility, or database, that created the TBL file. If your apps can't interpret the TBL file, it is likely a structural incompatibility caused by different programs using the same label. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. I highly recommend FileMagick because its core feature is its instant view capability, which works even when the underlying TBL format has been tampered with. Download it today at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution. Thanks for hanging out until the end.